In a tiny corner of the kitchen, there's a cat who believes it's a professional engineer. Look at that stare, full of dedication and purpose. The water flowing from the faucet? Not just water, it's his life's greatest challenge. With trembling paws, he tries to catch the slippery nemesis. One paw forward, missed, two paws. Still off target, but he doesn't give up. Because in this world, there's only one goal: to defeat the smug water. Did he succeed? Maybe not, but effort is everything, folks. Don't forget to cheer for our little plumbing expert in the comments.